Hey everybody, welcome to the King Metals YouTube channel. I'm Jimbo. King Metals offers a wide variety of metal decor and fabrication products. You can find them in their catalog right here or online at kingmetals.com. All right, today we're going to be talking about forged metal baskets. These can be used on fencing, gates, balusters, handrails, or whatever you want to add metal decor to. Let me bring you in and show you an example of how these would be used. All right, so here's the baskets right here. Again, we're just going to show you an example of how these might be used out in the field to add decor to your project. Again, top and bottom rail to what would be either handrail, baluster, gate, fencing. This is replicating a picket right here. Now you're going to have these spaced every 4 inches apart, and then this is where these baskets could be added in for decor. They would be welded to the tubing here, and of course welded to the top and bottom rail on either side. Now one thing that you don't want to see is after this is welded in is you don't want to see the weld around where you're doing this. Now there's lots of different options that they offer. They've got collars that go around here. They could be round, they could be square. We can just use this one as an example. Once they're welded on like this, you'll want to slide a collar over the top, whether it be a round one or square one or whatever you want to do to add decor to your fencing or handrail. Now there's lots of different ways of doing this as well. You could do just one in the center. You could do two in one. You can alternate them every other picket depending on the look that you're looking for and what you're looking for. And the size of the handrail or gate that you may have. Handrails a little bit shorter, maybe you're just going to need one. Gates a little bit bigger, maybe you want to add two and alternate them. Anyways, it's just an example of how these forged metal baskets can be used. Okay, hopefully you can use these products or this technique in your upcoming projects. You can find everything that we talked about here today on kingmetals.com. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.